say Monroe, Max?
Weather Service in Buffalo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Wayne County, northwestern Livingston.
Hey, Max. I have an idea.
What?
Do you want to pack some stuff up? And maybe go visit Grandpa in case we lose power? Or just at least pack some stuff up in case? Max?
Yes.
Okay. Why don't you get some underwear, shorts, a t-shirt?
No, I have summer school.
Yes, guess what?
What?
We could get up if we have to sleep over at Grandpa's, guess what we could do?
What?
We can get up early and come back here and catch the bus right in our driveway, just same as always. But guess what? We might not lose power, but do you wanna get stuff in case we do?
Yes.
Then why don't we pack up? I think that's a great idea. But if you film it, you won't have to.
Can you read that, please?
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the following counties.
Can you name the counties, Mom?
What?
Name the counties. Name it.
Max, Wayne, Genesee, Monroe. Tova, I just walked you. I literally just walked you. Orleans, Livingston. Let me call Grandpa and tell him we might come over, okay? Is there a book that you want to get? Let's get our lanterns.